Ohio. Okay?
Okay, so what state are you talking about?
Wisconsin.
Which one?
Wisconsin.
And what is it near?
Ohio.
And do you know the capital of it?
No.
What do you know about it?
I know that it's called Wisconsin.
And did you learn anything about it? Is it a country?
No, it's a state.
It is?
Well, and a country. It's like through the country.
But it's a state.
From California to Ohio. Wisconsin is by Ohio.
Closer to Ohio than California.
Mm-hmm.
And do you know how many states make up the United States? Like how many states are in the United States?
50.
How many?
30.
No, you were close before.
50.
50?
Yeah.
Can you name me some more states?
California. Ohio.
Mm-hmm.
Wisconsin.
Mm-hmm.
Wisconsin. Wisconsin. Wisconsin.
Okay.
Wisconsin.
Okay.
Wisconsin. Wisconsin.
Goodbye.
And Wisconsin.
Okay.